can't wait. I say, welcome to week 3 of the van build.
You guessed it. Welcome to week 3 of 4 of our Peugeot Boxer L1H1 van build. This week has involved every type of emotion you can imagine. You've been excited, angry,
It's screwed up here. It's
proud,
flushest cunt of my life.
frustrated,
I hate my life.
but most of all, we haven't stopped laughing. So yeah, not much to say apart from this. Enjoy and try not to judge our weirdness too much. So a little update of what I did the other day is I just spray adhesived this bit of carpet down. I didn't have enough, so I need to finish it. So that's just going to be the boot space. I've finished the vinyl flooring. Yeah, I bought some new spray adhesive since then so we can finish this off. But today, what are we doing?
Today we are going to start doing our overhead cabinet. We're going to have one long cabinet all the way along this little bit of the wall here that's been carpet lined. We're making it out of timber struts that we popped to Wicks to get this morning.
Let's get on with it. Maverick, do you want to help us in the van build? Do you want to?
Hold outside, Scott. Do you want to show us where you're at?
So we are doing uphead cabinets today. We probably mentioned that. So far we've done these 2 frames. They are going to go one up against this wall, one here, and now we're just measuring the timber struts that will go kind of in between them, like that.
Timber struts that will go in between them.
One there, one there, one there.
Oh, you're starting to make some sense.
Yeah, and then our doors will come on the front here and open like that.
Wow.
Yeah, doing it slightly different to last time, but it's okay.
Wanna be side by side.
I'm going fucking crazy. I never want to see another van again. Ever. By the way, America is cancelled.
I wanna be side by side.
Alright, get out of the way.
Do you wanna be side by side?
Oh no, the camera almost fell.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Venezuela, no. We're going so crazy.
We actually
Please
are.
help us. So ladies and gents, what we've done here is we've screwed in some L brackets into some little beams that we are going to use to connect our 2 frames. You're going to see what I mean in a minute.
Bam, bam, bam. Here you go.
I was kinda hoping we could work this out, cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't.
La 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 la.
Wow, it's wonky.
What now? That does look good though, doesn't it?
I don't know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright.
Okay.
How did you know I got that?
I heard you going. Did I hear you do that?
That wasn't me.
Was it not? Must have been the door creaking. I just thought I heard you going.
What the fuck? That's when you know we're in love.
Oh.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be?
Silhouette, champagne, cigarettes. I try so hard to be something I'm not. So sure I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something I'm not.
Right, so it is time for us to try build our kitchen. Do you want to tell them what we've done for our kitchen next?
We have, well, Because of the increase in costs of wood from like wicks and stuff, we've decided it's actually cheaper to get pre-done kitchens from IKEA. So we have bought the NHET selection or range, shaker style, and we're going to do them up now.
We're going to try our luck at flat packing.
Yeah.
See how this goes.
Let's go. Okay.
Alright, so instructions can go out the window.
No, they can't, Harry.
We don't need that shit, babe. We're experienced builders.
No, we need that.
Trains keep running, hearts keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why.
And there it is. There's the worktop. I quite like the worktop. How much was that?
So, to be fair, the whole IKEA order was like £300, but this is probably like 200 altogether, including, that was 70, that was like 120, this was 45.
It's all pretty cheap, and the thing is with materials is they've gone up so much, we were saying, weren't we?
Yeah, like the materials we bought for our upper head from Wix were £85, and that's just for a tiny upper head.
But this is for a whole bloody kitchen.
Yeah, exactly.
So I think the rough plan is fridge in there, cutlery in the top drawer, obviously, and then all their crockery in them.
Yeah.
And water containers in the left part.
Yeah, and a gas, camping gas as well for the whole, in this part. So this is all like boring stuff, this is all fun stuff.
But yeah, I mean, we haven't secured the worktop down, cut it yet. There's still jobs we got to do.
Yeah.
But we're looking pretty chuffed with
We need
it.
to put it on like a plinth, so yeah.
A plinth. Ooh, I like that word.
You've never heard it. This is the
A
thing.
plinth.
Harry doesn't actually do any research, so he has no idea what a plinth is.
Oh, I've got a plinth. Right, you enjoy making your plinth.
Thanks.
Now, because England's so sick, we're going to have to set up a marquee. We love England.
Yeah, 62 minus 3.4. 62 and a half.
Oh, it's fine. The cardboard tipped onto the camera tripod and nearly tipped the whole camera. Oh my god.
That noise!
We're
living life on the edge.
We're living life. Like, this much could send us just over the edge, you know, like, you thought someone had like died over there.
Can we actually swap this out?
Yeah, stop, just let go.
No, I just told you why I can't.
You can.
No, please don't let go. Whatever you do.
It's screwed up here, it's screwed.
I hate my life.
You look so concerned right now.
It's because of the marquee. It's just like it's blowing everywhere. There's like bits of water dripping in the van. Look.
We love England.
So over it.
We're doing our plinth. We're doing our plinth. Doing our plinth. Doing our plinth.
I need to close this. It's getting really bad. Okay, there you go.
You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds.
We kind of just got into it and didn't really talk about what we're doing.
Yeah, we're doing a partition wall.
So we're building a little partition wall out of cladding. We're just going to do some in the middle a bit shorter, just to make a little frame so that you can kind of see a nice little window out the front. And then the ones on the ends are going to be longer to make a nice wall.
Yeah, simple.
Didn't really need explaining.
Yeah, I didn't. You can just watch.
Yeah, you can just enjoy.
Watch and enjoy.
Sit back, relax.
Watch us work our bums off.
Just cry.
Put your song on my guitar. The sweetest part.
I feel like I'm in one of those puppet shows, you know, when they're like,
Yeah, I was going to say, you look like that.
really?
Yeah. You look like you're just like in a little stage. You can go to a puppet show for us.
Punch and Judy.
Yeah, that's the one.
That's the one.
Look at you go. You're cultured, Nick. Nick, make sure you're getting the right way round because we can't waste any of these pieces.
Oh shit. Barbs.
No, you didn't. We literally have the dead amount. You didn't. No.
I'm joking. Oh my god, my crisps all fell out and they're all on the floor.
Nick, I know you're joking.
No, I'm not.
No, you're not getting me again. Good try, Nick.
Yeah. You could be my honeybee. Can you give me something sweet? This thing you have could give me scars. Straight to the heart, and you feel like a Sunday breeze. Singing birds and buzzing bees. I played your song on my guitar. Yeah, the sweetest part.
Once you got your hands on my heart, felt your sting. Now it's ripping me apart. Yeah. Doesn't matter where you
So, since you've seen me last, I've done another coat of wood stain on that partition wall.
It looks nice and dark now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It looks a lot better.
We are getting nervous, aren't we?
We're getting nervous because we're going to do the worktop, and that involves cutting it with a jig nicely without it cracking or whatever.
It's a bit of a big chunky worktop as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like that thick.
So we're a bit nervous.
But I think I back Harry a lot. Like,
You back me?
yeah, I think I'll take it.
Oh, you got my back. Look at you go. But yeah, we're gonna cut the worktop, see how that goes.
That looks stunning, babe. You've smashed it.
Let's go, baby! Vamos, los chicos! Flushest cut of my life.
It does look good.
I'm pretty happy with that. So, the worktop is cut.
It is.
We are now measuring out where we want our sink and where we want our hob. Our sink's also from IKEA.
Yeah, I'll show you. £45, I think, or £40. It's a really big sink. We wanted a big one because I think...
We know the reality of van life. You need a big sink because you just keep your washing up in there and stuff when you're driving. But also the hob. Where's the hob from, Nate?
The hob's from Amazon. It was only like £99. It's just down there. It's a Carinair 2-burner hob.
But yeah, if you want that hob, all the links will be in the description below. And please buy through our link because we get a little bit of money back if you buy through our links. So please feel free to help us out.
Thank you very much.
We're peasants.
walk into the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't.
It's actually so exciting.
It's the moment of truth.
So let's see if our holes are perfectly measured to fit these.
If one of these falls through.
Yeah, that's good.
Lovely.
Hop.
Hop.
Whoop.
Whoop.
Perfect.
Wicked. And they line up.
Pretty well.
Yeah, baby. How are you feeling about that?
Feeling so good right now. God, it's
Feeling
been a
so
long
good.
day. I'm feeling so good.
I think we're just tired, aren't we?
So tired.
Look at your new kitchen though. Ooh. Look at this girl getting all her angles. If you haven't already.
Instagram at the Vanbishers Project, please.
Look at you. I was going to plug it myself and you were on it. Go follow our Instagram.
Doesn't look as good as it looks in real life in these pics.
Right, you've got to follow us apparently.
Oh my god, I'm so happy with it. So thank you for watching week 3 of 4 of our van build.
Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and leave a like.
And we'll see you next week for the finale.
Finale.
Bye.